We have another innovative piece of equipment from Lyco to show you today. My name's Eric Jameson, Midwest and Southeast Area Sales Manager for Lyco Manufacturing. We built our first combination cooker-cooler in 1995. Today, we have over 220 systems in the field running pasta, rice, dry beans, vegetables, and potatoes. In response to many customer requests, we have recently redesigned a smaller compact cooker-cooler, downsizing from the 60-inch and 72-inch diameters to a smaller 36-inch machine. This new unit cooks and cools in one compact design. Here are the benefits of Lyco's 36-inch cooker-cooler. Product flows from the cook zone to the cool zone, all in one common frame. The benefits of this is it saves space and eliminates the need for a transfer conveyor and subframes, which reduces your initial investment. This unit comes with one common CIP system. The CIP pump distributes water to clean the cook and the cool zone. With Lyco's new 36-inch design, capacities range from 700 pounds per hour to 1,500 pounds per hour, depending on the cook and cool time. The continuous cooking and cooling process saves both labor and time, consistently enhancing our customers' profitability. For products such as pasta and rice, Lyco's patented internal hydroflow will ensure absolutely 100% uniformity, allowing for a simple, safe, and high-quality process, which reduces any losses due to sticking and clumping. This unit comes standard with a two-way flip-top cover. There's pneumatic cylinders that'll lift the cover from either side to allow easy inspection and cleaning. The machine is also very low maintenance, with 2 trunnion wheels on each end that only need to be greased every 8 to 12 hours. Lyco offers multiple options for an even and consistent feed system. For the line we are now shipping, we are using our Blue Belt inclined belt conveyor with our hopper vibratory feed system. This evenly feeds product into the in-feed end of the cooker. At the discharge end of the cooler, we offer a simple and reliable dewatering shaker that effectively removes the surface water of the product. All of our units use Allen Bradley controls with HMI touchscreens and recipe management. Lyco also offers a full-scale laboratory if you want to visit and test run your products through a continuous system. So turn to Lyco for all your cooking and chilling needs. For more information, feel free to call us at 920-623-4152 or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.